All right, let's go with just evaluating exponents. A lot of times we have problems with powers, and we just need to remember. A lot of us forget exactly why we use them and so forth. So I'm just going to go through a quick little demonstration of exponents and our powers, however you really want to represent them. So what this says is 4 to the second power, as 2 is what we call our exponent or our power, and what this means is I am going to take 4 and multiply it by itself 2 times. So the way I can rewrite this is just be 4 times. Where did a 3 come from? I have no idea, but my hand just automatically wrote that. Sorry. So you're going to write 4 times 4. Here I have 3 cubed. Oh, I'm sorry. 3 to the third power. Often it's sometimes abbreviated as 3 cubed, but we'll talk about that in a later video. 3 to the third power means I'm going to write 3 multiplied by itself 3 times. Okay? So when I have 1/2 to the fourth, I'm again going to do the same thing. 1/2 times 1/2 times 1/2 times 1/2. So what you can take is, what we have here is each one of these is the base. So you take your base and you just multiply it by yourself what your exponent is. So if it says 2, you multiply your base by itself twice. If it's 3, you multiply your base 3 times, and if your exponent is 4, you multiply your base by itself 4 times. And now we can just evaluate this. So 4 times 4 is going to be 16. We should remember our square numbers. 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Times 3 is going to be 27. Right? Come on now. Let's not get so dry and boring. So now we got fractions. 1/2 times 1/2 times 1/2. I hate fractions. But remember, multiplying fractions is not that bad. Just multiply the top and then multiply the bottom. 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1. It doesn't matter how many times you multiply 1 times 1, it's always going to give you 1. Divided by. 2 times 2 is 4. Times 2 is 8. Times 2 is 16. There you go. Wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. That's how you multiply exponents.